Hello everyone, today we're gonna do a DIY video and it's about my school project and I made this igloo. Unfortunately I forgot to film it, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe. This is a model of an igloo and this is how I made it. I took a transparent bowl and glued cotton on it. I also made a doorway made of paper and covered it with cotton too. And then I placed it on a thermocol base. After that, I placed some small lights under the igloo to make it look nice. And then I dug a small hole over here to fill in blue cotton, which I used like water. And then I put some Lego people too wearing parkas. These two are fishing and these are fish. This is how it looks like at night. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.